TCL TAC-09CWR/U Window Type Air Conditioner Unboxing. Product Highlights. New Arrival. Best Seller. Cooling Capacity, 1 horsepower. Inverter Technology, non-inverter. Width, 18.5 inches. Height, 13.5 inches. Net weight, 22 kilograms. Aircon type, window. Warranty, 1 year on parts and labor, 5 years on compressor. Overview. Embrace the cooling breeze and relax in comfort with the TCL TAC-09CWR/U 1 horsepower with remote, window type aircon. It boasts an awesome cooling power that is energy saving. This window type air conditioner is built with our 32 refrigerant and efficiently carries the heat when the unit is running. This refrigerant also has a lower environmental impact as it does not cause any harm to the ozone layer. Control the number of hours you want the AC unit to run. The 24-hour timer allows you to set the operation hours of the air conditioner. This program allows you to save a lot of energy by setting a specified time on how long you want the air conditioner to operate. Set it to run for 8 hours, 12 hours, or the maximum, which is 24 hours, depending on your preference. Sleep and rest in a cooling environment while saving more on your energy consumption. The sleep mode program gradually adjusts the temperature while you sleep. This helps you save on energy usage yet gives a comforting breeze through your sleep. It has a 3-fan speed to help you start the unit when it is newly turned on. This feature helps give a soft start to the compressor before you adjust to a colder temperature. Plus, this AC has an 8-way air direction control to surely spread the cold air across the entire room. Available at a Benson Home Appliance. Contact them at Online Sales Team 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Hotline 02-8811-8811. Mobile 0908817788 or 099999906141. Viber 091787999483. WhatsApp 091787999483. Email shop@abenson.com. Overseas hotlines. US +1 21375855050. Singapore +6 531052078. UAE +9 71800 01200104. Italy +3 9800725979. In-store personal shopper. Business Solutions. 02-8248 to 3233 or 099895877101. Customer Care. 02-8921 to 0888 or 092093285523. Customer service@abenson.com.